Hey guys, it's Martian Cubing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to speed solve the 2x2x3. So the 2x2x3 is a pretty easy puzzle. You do need to have some knowledge of 2x2 to make it easier, but you can definitely learn it without. So the first step in solving it is to solve the white and yellow faces. So this is done by like the same method if you solve square 1 or 4x4. What you do is you make blocks like this, so like yellow block in the back, and you have a block here, and then you can just do it in U2 and then solve them. So the next case is the same in 2x2, it's just PBL. So there's a few different cases you can have. So for example, this case you just do the same algorithm, which is R2U, R2U prime, R2U, R2U, R2U prime. If you have that same case, but the opposite swap is on the bottom, you can just do the same thing except do D moves. And if you have two solved blocks, so adjacent swap on the back and bottom, you can just do the same algorithm for 2x2. And so the final case you can get is one you need to learn a special algorithm for. So this is where you have the bottom layer solved and you have an adjacent swap on the top. So what you do is you hold your bar on the right and you do this algorithm: F2, R2, U, R2, U wide prime, R2, D, R2, U prime, R2. Then it's solved. And if you have diagonal swap, you just need to do that 2 times. The final step in solving this is to permute the middle layer here. So you probably have a few cases, but for example, this case, what you do is you have a solid block and these two pieces just need to be swapped. So the way you do this is R2, U2, R2, U2, R2, U2. If you have a case like this where you have no blocks, what you want to do is you want to try and make a bar. So if I have a red piece here, I have a red piece in the back here, so I can do R2 like a middle slice and R2 prime and solve a block. And this actually takes us to another case you may have where you have like two faces solved, and then these pieces need to go over here and these need to go over here. The way you do this one is pretty easy. It's just R2, the middle layer twice, and then R2 prime. So yeah, that's how you solve the 2x2x3. I hope you found this helpful. I highly suggest picking up this puzzle. This is the key 2x2x3. It's a great puzzle. It's awesome for speed solving. And yeah, hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.